Today I will demonstrate how we use ADOS in my class. ADOS is used to organize the information in story problems. It helps the students decide which operation or operations they will need to solve the problem. First, we will begin by reading the problem twice. As you read, underline any important information, circle any data, and bracket the question that you will answer. After you read the problem twice, you are ready to solve. Over the long weekend, Lance drove 447 miles on Saturday, 361 miles on Sunday, and 254 miles on Monday. What is the best estimate of the miles he drove over the long weekend? We will read once again. Over the long holiday weekend, Lance drove 447 miles on Saturday, 361 miles on Sunday, and 254 miles on Monday. Your question is, what is the best estimate of miles he drove over the long weekend? Once you've read it twice, you are ready to solve. The A stands for what are they asking? So what we've done is we set up our A, and the question is, what is the best estimate of the miles he drove over the long weekend? Afterwards, the D stands for the data in the problem. On Saturday, he drove 447 miles, 361 on Sunday, and 254 on Monday. Okay. Since we've read the story problem, we already know that estimate means round. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to round, and after we round, in order to answer the question, we're going to have to add. When we get to the S means solve. So we've set up our problem, and we used a place value chart to keep our numbers in line, and we've written all our data in here. Since rounding is the first step we need to do, we have rounded 447 to 450, and 361 to 360, 254 to 350. After we are done, we are ready to add. Okay, so we've done our rounding and we are ready to add. We have 0 in the ones place, 16 in the tens place, and we are carrying over. We have 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 will give you 10, and then once again you will carry over to the 1,000th place. You bring down your number, 1 plus nothing is 1, and you put your comma. And your answer is Lance drove 1,060 miles over the long weekend.